The MXO4 is the next generation oscilloscope from Rohde and Schwarz. Let us show you why that is. At the heart of the MXO4 oscilloscope is a Rohde and Schwarz ASIC. With a rate of more than 4.5 million acquisitions per second, it truly features the extreme speed you need to see more of the signal. The workhorse of the MXO4 is the 12-bit analog-to-digital converter with an extremely low noise signal path, which even enables 18-bit in high-definition mode. That, of course, helps you to get more accurate measurements with a patented digital trigger architecture. The MXO4 also comes equipped with the industry's deepest standard acquisition memory in its class. With 400 million points for 4 channels and optional 800 for 2 channels, you can capture even more signal time and retain maximum bandwidth at slow time bases. That's perfect for handling a large range of troubleshooting tasks. The compact design offers all the flexibility you need. The MXO4 doesn't take up a lot of space on your bench. It is super quiet and offers an exceptionally handy Visa mount. The Rohde and Schwarz MXO4 oscilloscope offers a completely new user experience. With an easy-to-use UI, it is simple to operate via the 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen, where you can perform all operations faster than ever before. Whatever your applications demand, the MXO4 is the ideal companion for your everyday tasks, and the next generation oscilloscope from Rohde and Schwarz.